Hello there, Ida here. In our last two videos, we explored CNC lathe and CNC mill. Let's find out the difference between CNC lathe and CNC mill this time. Working principle. Both are substrate manufacturing process, but they differ in how they work. CNC lathe is milling for rotating objects. The part spins on the lathe, and the cutting tool moves around the radian and axron direction to cut. CNC lasing is typically used for rotational symmetrical parts such as cylindrical, conical parts. On the other hand, CNC milling uses a rotating cutting tool to machine the parts, while parts is either rotating in some cases or stationary. Milling can handle parts with flat surfaces, grooves, curves, and more. Cost. The cost can vary greatly due to different factors for each technology. CNC lathe is a budget-friendly option. Compared to mill machines, lathes usually don't have complex setups. For symmetrical parts, the tool pens are simpler, making mass production much faster with lasing than milling. Continuous cutting with a single tool and efficient use help to reduce production time and overall cost. Lathes typically have 2 or 3 eggs, fewer than milling, leading to a lower initial investment cost. Compared to CNC lathes, CNC milling can be quite costly. The multi-angle nature of milling and the need to secure the parts at different angles often require more complex setups. This can be more time-consuming and higher demanding for operators, affecting the overall production cost. Milling complicated parts can take longer than lasing simple, symmetrical parts, increasing operational cost. Milling machines have more access, giving higher flexible, but also raising the initial investment cost. Material compatibility. CNC lathe works with a variety of materials, but a single-point cutting method might limit use with certain materials. Materials like soft aluminum and brass can cause tools clog or wear faster than in milling. With its multi-angle capability and diverse cutting tools, CNC milling is more flexible in terms of material capability. It can handle challenging materials like titanium or harder steel, ensuring accuracy and minimizing the tool well. Surface finishing. For CNC lathe, the continuous tool cutting on the rotating parts results in a smoother surface. This is because the tool is in constant contact with the materials, creating a more uniform texture. Therefore, achieving a smooth surface doesn't require any additional process. While in CNC milling, the multi-direction movement of the cutting tool can leave minor marks on the material's surface, especially for complicated parts. So, additional finish steps like polish or burnish are required to achieve a smooth part surface. Types of parts suitable for machining. CNC lasing is generally limited to symmetrical geometrical shapes. It can create threads, grooves, and other features on cylindrical work pieces, but it can't achieve the detail on multiplied surface that milling can. The ability of milling to move around multiple axes allows it to machine irregular and complicated detail parts, making it a preferred choice for parts with the intricate details and the needs to create multiplied surface. Workpiece examples: shafts, pistons, rods, bolts, and nuts, impellers, gears, engine blocks, medical implants. When to use CNC lathe or milling. We have compared them based on working principle and cost. Here is a comparison table to help you visually understand the main differences. In general, CNC lathe is suitable for parts with symmetrical features, which CNC mill is suitable for parts of all shapes. If you are unsure how to choose the right one, Zyklon's professional can help you choose the best CNC machining service for your project. Additional, CNC milling and lathing can be combined for optimal machining results. No matter whether your project involves lathing or milling, our experienced engineers team can meet your needs to a high standard. Feel free to upload your drawings and discuss the specifics with ourselves.